Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Preeti with me today for the world famous game of Hangman. Yes, you guys know Hangman is the word guessing game. So, are you ready to guess the word today?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see how quickly, not quickly, does Preeti guess the word today. It is a 7-letter word. Let's go. What is your first guess?
A.
A. All right. That is A. And that's another A. Okay. Okay. Go for the next one.
D.
D. Okay. There is D. Nice. Okay. D. So there's A, there's D. What else could there be? Think. Come on. Let's go with the regular strategy of Hangman.
E.
E. Nope. Sorry. No E.
O.
O. No. No O. Are you guys thinking of something? Because Preeti is, I think.
T.
T. T for toy, right?
Hmm.
No. There is no T. Come on. It's just a 7-letter word. Go think. What else could this be? What are the other commonly used English letters? Try them, if not for the vowels.
H.
H. Good guess, but no, this word doesn't have an H. No. Go on.
I.
Okay, sorry. No I. The head has come. Come on, Preeti. You're halfway through the Hangman. Come on. What are you thinking? Is there some particular word you're having in mind? Are you able to guess something from these? Yes, no. See, you can make it like A and D, the last 3 letters. What else could make this word over here? Think like that. Come on, am I giving her the right strategy to think, guys? What do you say? Because at least that's how I play and I kind of try to guess. Go.
L.
L for lion.
Hmm.
Nahi, no. No lions. Ooh, this is getting intense. After 2 letters, what else?
N.
N for Nupur. No N. Come on, you still have 3 turns left before the Hangman hangs. Come on. Maybe you just get 1 letter and you might just get the word. Come on, try. You said N because you thought it could be A and D, the last 3 letters. Think what else could come in there like that. Like N, what other letters could come in? Probably you'll be able to get the right one.
M.
M for monkey. No. Ooh. 2 lives left. Come on. Take a guess. Or try another letter. Are you guys thinking of something yet? If you've guessed it by now, put it in the comments here. Come on. Let's see if you guys are faster or Preeti is. Go, Preeti. What's your next guess?
R.
R for rabbit. Okay, she has said R. Okay, so R's here. Okay, what could it be now? You can think loudly also. Let the audience also know what you're thinking and what lines you're thinking.
Award.
Award is, how is it spelled? See, you're kind of close. You can give me the letter. I'm still giving you the life. See, there's 1, 2, 3 letters in between A and ARD. So what else could it be? You can still give me the letter. Probably we can check if it's there or not.
W.
W. Ooh, okay. So there's a W here and there's a W here. Now, I'm sure you got the word or haven't.
L.
Oh, this is simple, Preeti. Come on, yeah. You can just see the letters that have not been struck off and you can, kind of place them there and see if it makes a meaningful word or not.
Awkward.
Say it loudly.
Awkward.
Awkward. See, by saying so many things, I made her feel awkward and made her guess the word. Yes, awkward it is. Alright. Oh God, took you quite some time to guess that with just 2 lives left. But yes, without a clue. Good one, Preeti. Without any clues, without anything, without reaching the last life, she was able to guess the word. She said a word, yes, but then still she came up and she was able to guess the word. High five, Preeti. Come on, good one. Alright, Preeti was able to guess this one. Were you able to guess it much before she actually guessed it? Let us know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our regular videos and quizzes. Until then, we'll see you again in another Hangman quiz. See you soon. Bye.